Hey, what's going on, everybody? I am super excited because for the first time, I am doing a video 100% in VR. I created this avatar to look like me. I'm renting that property back there for 6 months, and I'm doing it all in Somnium Space. This is all in game. There's no post processing. The only editing that might be done is some cuts here and there, but other than that, it's all in game stuff. Somnium Space is this huge virtual world. It's all on the Ethereum blockchain where you can buy and sell digital properties. You can also rent them, and once you buy one or rent one, you can use the in-game builder to build whatever you want, and then you can load in your NFTs from the blockchain and display them. If you want to sell them, you can create art galleries, all kinds of stuff. It's very, very cool, and it's just getting started. So if you want to check it out, it's a free download on Steam. It's Somnium Space. Or if you want to check out individual parcels, you can just go to the web browser. And like this one is somniumspace.com/parcel/219, and it'll take you right to this parcel. You can check it out yourself, even if you're on a Chromebook or your phone or something like that. So let's get to this tour. Now I'm right off this road here, and you can see I am pretty close to the city center, which is right over there. That tall building is part of it over there. And as we turn around, we come up to the main path. Over on the left is my Evno Studio sign with my YouTube information. And coming through this tree archway is my fire pit area where you can just kind of sit, hang out, chit chat with your friends. All this stuff was built with the inbuilt builder. The trees are included. Most of these textures are included, and then you can load in custom textures as well and kind of use your imagination to build what you want. So let's go up the ramp here to my studio. So here we are, Evnos headquarters in VR. You can see over on the left here, we have a couple of chairs. Now I envision doing some interviews with developers or people that have built interesting things around the world, or NFT creators that have built galleries or just want to talk about the art that they're creating. So community related interviews in that spot. And then here is my desk with my logo, just for general videos, and my green screen, which is just this giant neon block, so it's lit from behind. Thank you to Arthur for turning me on to that. He solved some of my lighting issues. But one lighting issue I still have is you see this shadow on the wall as I wave. So if I spin this around and go to try to do a green screen video, we're going to see that we're getting all kinds of shadows from this light that's right over the desk. Now the way I solved that is I put this light switch in over here. So if I hit that, the light goes off and we are good to go. I can come back and then switch the camera back, and you can see there's no more shadow on the green screen. We're all good to go. But then if I want to go back and do some more videos over at the desk, come here, turn the switch back on, and we're good to go to record it at the desk again. That pretty much sums it up. I want to show you one more time out here. Some of my neighbors, these are just some of the creations. These are all different plots that people have purchased or rented, and they're displaying all kinds of stuff. There's 360 art, there's NFTs that people have put on their properties, and I hope to do some tours of some of these properties. But thanks so much for bearing with me on this. This is kind of a new thing for me. It's an experiment, so let me know if you like this and if you're going to be interested in this kind of content. Thanks for sticking with it, and I will see you in the next one.